1. Normal, I go to the market. Modern, I'm heading to the market. 2. Normal, she eat an apple. Modern, she's snacking on an apple. 3. Normal, he not come today. Modern, he's not showing up today. 4. Normal, we play game. Modern, we're gaming right now. 5. Normal, they go school. Modern, they're off to school. 6. Normal, dog bark loud. Modern, the dog's barking like crazy. 7. Normal, I know like tea. Modern, not a fan of tea. 8. Normal, she very happy. Modern, she's super happy. 9. Normal, he read book. Modern, he's deep into a book. 10. Normal, sunshine bright. Modern, the sun's shining bright today. Don't subscribe. Subscribe.